Hi students. So in this video we are going to discuss balancing chemical equation. So what is balancing chemical equation? So balancing means we have to balance. So at reactant side and product side. What we have to balance? We have to equal. We have to equalize the number of atoms at reactant side is equal to the atoms at a product side. So balancing is generally introduced by Anthony Lavoisier. So he did lots of experiment and he given the conclusion. What he concluded? What he given the conclusion? So the number of atoms of each element at reactant side is equal to the number of atoms of each element at product side. So number of atoms we have to balance. So whatever the atoms of reactant side, whatever the number of atoms is equal to the number of atoms of each element at a product side. For clarity here, for our clarity, to better understanding, I am going to take some examples here. So let us take an example here. A reaction I am going to take H2 plus O2, which gives H2O. This is hydrogen plus oxygen. Both are reactants. And what is H2O? H2O is nothing but water. This is our product. So we need to balance it. So for this we have to take a tabular form. So there is an unbalanced table and another one is balanced table. So I am going to draw the table here, tabular form for what? For the unbalanced. This is unbalanced equation. So how can we say the unbalanced equation here? How many hydrogens are there? Two atoms of hydrogen, two atoms of oxygen. Here two atoms of hydrogen, and if there is no value we need to consider one atom of oxygen. So we have to write these atoms in the tabular form. So I am going to take the tabular form here. So this is the element. This is what element. We have to write the element here, and we need to take like this the number of atoms here in this tabular form. Number of atoms, number NO means what? Number of atoms. And here we need to take two blocks here. One is LHS, another one is RHS. LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. So how many elements are there? Hydrogen, oxygen. How many elements? Two elements. We have to write hydrogen and oxygen. 1 2 1 2. So hydrogen, oxygen we have to take. So this is what? This is equation. This is unbalanced. What? This is unbalanced. What is this? This is unbalanced table, and this is the unbalanced equation. So hydrogen, how many hydrogen atoms are there? This is LHS. What is this? This is LHS. And this is what? This is RHS. What is this? This is the RHS. LHS side, hydrogen, how many hydrogen atoms are there? LHS, hydrogen, how many atoms? Two atoms. At RHS, how many hydrogen? Two. We have to write here 2. And how many oxygens at RHS? How many oxygen? RHS. So oxygen, RHS 1 and LHS 2. So this is unbalanced. The values are different. So same, if there is a same, balanced. If there is different value, this is unbalanced. So this is the unbalanced table. What is this? This is the unbalanced table. So now I am going to balance it. For this I am going to write the equation here. H2 plus O2, which gives what? H2O. So observe here, how many atoms are there? 1. So don't write here 2. If you write 2 here, the molecular formula will be changed, and you may not write here 2. Don't write 2 here. So only one atom of oxygen is here. So we need to take here, we need to balance the oxygen here. LHS side, how many atoms? 2. We need to convert this value 1 converted into 2. So for this 1 into, we have to take what? 2. So 1 into 2 becomes what? 2. So write the 2 at coefficient. Write 2 at a coefficient. Coefficient mundu rashtam anukondi. 1 into 2 becomes what? 2. oxygen is balanced. But observe here, this 2 belongs to hydrogen and this 2 belongs to ఆక్సిజన్ మీన్స్ ఈ కోఎఫిషియంట్ హైడ్రోజన్కు ఉన్నట్లు ఈ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆక్సిజన్ ఉన్నట్లు ఇక్కడ 2 రాయద్దు, ఇక్కడ రాస్తే అయిపోతుంది కదా బ్యాలెన్స్ అంటే, ఇక్కడ రాయద్దు. రూల్ ఏంటంటే కోఎఫిషియంట్ రాయాలి. ఇక్కడ రాయాలి 2 కోఎఫిషియంట్ తీసుకున్నాం. సో ఈ 2 దీనికి సంబంధించి సో 2 2 4. ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 4 రాస్తామా, రాయలేం. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం తీసుకోవాలి, కోఎఫిషియంట్ 2 తీసుకోవాలి. 2 2 4. సో 2 2 4 hydrogen. How many hydrogen atoms are there? 4 hydrogen at LHS side. Any oxygens ఉన్నాయి, 2 oxygens ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి 2 2 4 hydrogen, 2 2 4. So 4 oxygen, 1 into 2, 1 into 2 how much? 2 oxygen, 2. So observe here, balance here 4 4 2 2. So this is what? This is the balanced chemical equation. What is this? This is the balanced. So this equation is called what? Balanced chemical equation. What is this? This is balanced chemical equation because the number of atoms of each element at reactant side, these are the what? Reactant side LHS, and this is what? RHS. So reactant side 4 2, RHS 4 2. So number of atoms of each element at reactant side is equal to the number of atoms of each element at a product side. So for this we are going to take a tabular form. We need to take the tabular form here. So I am going to take the tabular form. So this is what? Tabular form for the balanced table. So we need to take, this is the block element we have to take here, and we need to take 2 blocks here. One is number of atoms. Number of atoms means we need to take LHS and we need to take RHS. So element, how many elements are there? Hydrogen, oxygen, we need to take hydrogen. LHS, what is LHS here? This is LHS. Hydrogen ఉన్నాయి 4, oxygen ఉన్నాయి. What is the LHS, how much hydrogen? How many hydrogens are there? 4. At RHS hydrogen 4, and this is oxygen 2, here 2. So this is balanced 4 4 same, and 2 2 means what? This is the same value. So this is balanced. So this is the balanced table. What is this? This is the balanced table, and this is unbalanced table. Or unbalanced table gives the unbalanced chemical equation, and balanced table gives what? The balanced chemical equation. So what is unbalanced? If the number of atoms of each element at reactant side is not equal to the number of atoms of each element at product side, that equation becomes unbalanced. ఒకవేళ number of atoms అనేవి రెండు ఈక్వల్ లేకపోతే, రియాక్టెంట్ సైడ్లో ఉన్న ఆటమ్స్ ప్రోడక్ట్ సైడ్లో ఈక్వల్ లేకపోతే, అలాంటి ఈక్వేషన్ మనం అన్బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ అంటాం. సేమ్ లేకపోతే ఏం చేయాలి? దాన్ని సేమ్ చేయాలి. we need to take what? We need to balance it. If you balance the chemical equation, then the number of atoms of each element at reactant side equal to what? Number of atoms of each element at product side. అంటే ఒక కెమికల్ ఈక్వేషన్ రాసిన తర్వాత ఖచ్చితంగా అవి బ్యాలెన్స్ చేస్తేనే అది బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ కెమికల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అవుతుంది. ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఎవరు ప్రొవైడ్ చేసిర్రు? Anthony Lavoisier. In the year of 1785, Lavoisier given the information about the balanced chemical equation. So number of atoms should be balanced from reactant side and product side. So this is the unbalanced table, and this is the balanced table. So balanced table, unbalanced table gives what? Unbalanced chemical equation. This is unbalanced chemical equation. What is this? This is the unbalanced chemical equation. What is this? This is unbalanced. So number of atoms, unbalanced equation. This is what? Balanced. What is this? This equation. This is what? This is the balanced chemical equation. Because what is the reason here? Whatever the number of atoms at LHS reactant side is equal to the number of atoms at a product side. Number of atoms at LHS is equal to number of atoms equal to product side. So this is the balanced chemical equation, and this is what? This is the unbalanced chemical equation. So here you need to remember how can we balance it. To balance the number of atoms at reactant side must be equal to number of atoms at product side. So thank you.